Let me ask you something. How many of us have stood in front of the mirror, scanning every little line, every shadow, thinking, when did that get there? We rush to the store, grab the newest jar of miracle cream, and hope that this one, will finally erase the years. But here's the truth. Aging isn't the enemy, and no cream on a shelf holds the secret to youth. The secret isn't in a bottle, it's already inside you, waiting to be nourished. You see, your skin is a living, breathing reflection of what's happening on the inside. It's not about covering up. It's about feeding, fueling, fortifying. The vitamin I'm talking about today, vitamin C, is your body's natural youth elixir. Not some lab-made formula or airbrushed illusion, but a genuine cellular superhero. It helps your skin build collagen, the protein that keeps it firm, plump, and smooth. It's the scaffolding of youth. When you give your body what it needs to make that from within, you don't just look younger, you are younger from the inside out. Imagine this. Instead of fighting your reflection, you fuel it. Instead of layering on another expensive promise, you choose something simple, powerful, and real. You start your morning with a glass of water infused with vitamin C, maybe a slice of orange, maybe a supplement, and you let that small act become your ritual of renewal. Because every cell in your body is listening to what you feed it, what you think, what you believe. And here's the wild part. When you stop trying to erase the years and start energizing your life, your skin shows it. You glow differently. You move differently. You radiate something that no cream can replicate, authentic vitality. So forget wrinkle creams. Forget the noise. Take the vitamin your body actually recognizes, one that rebuilds, repairs, rejuvenates. Choose nourishment over disguise. Choose strength over struggle. Because the real fountain of youth? It's not found in a jar. It's built by you. One powerful, vitamin-packed day at a time. Now go out there, nourish that beautiful body, and watch how it thanks you, not just with smoother skin, but with a glow that tells the world, I am alive, vibrant, and unstoppable. Let's start by confronting one of the biggest myths of modern beauty culture, the idea that youth can be bought, bottled, or brushed onto your skin. Every commercial tells us that the secret to looking young lies in a cream, serum, or mask promising miraculous transformation. They use words like anti-aging, instant lift, and wrinkle-erasing technology. It sounds magical, doesn't it? But here's the reality. True vitality, true radiance, and true youthfulness don't begin on the surface. They begin within, deep in the cells, in the bloodstream, in the way your body is nourished and cared for every single day. Your skin is not just a canvas to be painted over. It's a living, breathing organ, the largest organ you have, and it responds directly to what's happening inside your body. When your cells are healthy, hydrated, and well-fed with the right nutrients, your skin glows. It's firm, smooth, and resilient. When your cells are starving for nutrition, overloaded with toxins, or deprived of sleep and hydration, no cream in the world can hide that for long. It's like trying to polish a mirror when the light behind it is flickering. The reflection won't shine until the source is restored. Think of your body as a garden. You can paint the petals of a flower to make them look brighter, but that doesn't keep the flower alive. What it truly needs is water, sunlight, and nutrient-rich soil. Your skin works the same way. Wrinkle creams, serums, and masks are the paint. They give a temporary illusion. Vitamins, minerals, hydration, and antioxidants, those are the sunlight and soil that create genuine growth and lasting vitality. When we talk about nourishing from within, we're really talking about empowering your body to do what it's naturally built to do, renew itself. Your body is a self-healing, self-regenerating system. Every 27 days, your skin cells completely renew. Every few months, your body replaces billions of cells. But the quality of those new cells depends entirely on what you give your body to work with. If you feed it junk, stress, sugar, processed foods, or nutrient-empty calories, you get tired, weak cells that can't protect or rejuvenate the skin. But if you feed it rich, colorful foods full of vitamins, antioxidants, and omega fats, your body creates stronger, brighter, more resilient skin from the inside out. There's also a powerful emotional component to this truth. Nourishing your body from within isn't just about food. It's about mindset. When you decide that your worth isn't tied to chasing youth or hiding flaws, you reclaim your energy. You stop battling yourself and start supporting yourself. That change in energy, that decision to care for your body instead of criticize it, actually shows up physically. When stress levels drop, cortisol, the stress hormone that breaks down collagen, decreases. When you sleep deeply, your body releases growth hormones that repair tissues and stimulate new cell production. When you smile more and move your body regularly, blood flow improves, oxygen increases, and your skin gets that unmistakable healthy flush. So, instead of rushing to fix what you see, focus on feeding what you feel. Eat vitamin-rich foods, citrus for vitamin C, leafy greens for folate, avocados for vitamin E, nuts for zinc, and fatty fish for omega-3s. Drink water like it's your beauty elixir, because it is. Move your body, stretch your muscles, and let your blood circulate life into your skin. Protect your sleep like you protect your skincare routine. And yes, when you do use creams, use them as support, not salvation, because the real work, the real transformation, is happening underneath. True youthful vitality is not about pretending to be younger than your age. It's about being fully alive at your age. It's about radiating health, confidence, and energy that no wrinkle can dim. When you nourish yourself from within, you're not fighting against time. You're working in harmony with it. Your skin becomes a reflection of that harmony, that inner glow, that quiet power. And that, not perfection, not illusion, is what timeless beauty really looks like. So forget the war on wrinkles. End the obsession with hiding your age. Start the revolution of nourishing your body, feeding your spirit, and letting your inner health illuminate your outer glow. Because when your inside thrives, your outside naturally follows. And that's the kind of youth no product can ever replace. Let's talk about the one thing your skin is quietly craving. Not another jar of promises, but a genuine internal boost. Science has proven again and again that radiant, youthful skin begins with the nutrients your body uses to repair and rebuild itself. Among these, one vitamin stands out as a true powerhouse of renewal: vitamin C. This humble, often underestimated nutrient is one of the most potent, natural skin revitalizing agents known to science. It doesn't just mask signs of aging, it transforms your body's ability to regenerate, repair, and glow from the inside out. Vitamin C is far more than the immunity booster we hear about every cold season. It's a molecular architect, the builder behind collagen, one of the most important proteins in your skin. Collagen acts like the scaffolding that keeps your skin firm, elastic, and plump. As we age, collagen production naturally declines, and that's when fine lines, sagging, and dullness begin to appear. But here's the beautiful truth. When you nourish your body with vitamin C, you're handing it the raw materials to rebuild that structure naturally. You're not forcing your skin to look younger. You're empowering it to become younger, on a cellular level. What makes vitamin C so extraordinary is how it works synergistically with your body's natural systems. It's an antioxidant, which means it fights off the free radicals that attack your cells every day. These free radicals come from sunlight, pollution, stress, and even the foods we eat. They break down collagen and elastin, dull your complexion, and accelerate aging. Vitamin C neutralizes them, shielding your skin like an invisible suit of armor. At the same time, it brightens your skin tone, fades dark spots, and promotes a healthy, even glow that no external product can truly replicate. Think about this for a moment. Every cream that claims to boost collagen or brighten complexion is essentially trying to mimic what vitamin C does naturally within your body. But topical products can only reach so far. The deeper layers of your skin, where collagen is built, are beyond their reach. When you take vitamin C internally, whether through food or supplements, it goes straight into your bloodstream and gets delivered to every cell that needs it. Your skin doesn't just appear healthier, it is healthier. And the best part? This is not some high-end secret available only to celebrities or influencers. Vitamin C is accessible, affordable, and abundant. You can find it in citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits, in strawberries, bell peppers, broccoli, and kale. When you make these foods a daily part of your diet, you're giving your body exactly what it needs to rebuild itself naturally. Even taking a simple, high-quality vitamin C supplement can make a visible difference in just weeks, not because it's a shortcut, but because it's science working with your body's design. Vitamin C also plays another critical role that many overlook. It aids in the absorption of iron, another essential mineral that keeps your blood oxygenated and your skin vibrant. That healthy pinkish glow you see in youthful skin, it comes from optimal blood flow and oxygen delivery to the cells. By ensuring your body has enough vitamin C, you're enhancing that circulation and supporting the energy your cells need to stay lively and resilient. But perhaps the most inspiring part of all this is what it represents. A shift from dependency to empowerment. We live in a world that sells insecurity. Every wrinkle is treated like a flaw, every freckle like something to hide. But vitamin C reminds us of a different truth, that your body already has everything it needs to heal, rebuild, and shine. You don't have to depend on artificial fixes or overnight miracles. You just have to feed the miracle that's already happening within you. So imagine waking up and seeing your reflection not as something to correct, but something to celebrate. You know that your glow isn't painted on, it's earned. You know that your skin smoothness isn't from a product, but from your cells thriving with vitality. That's the kind of beauty that can't be washed off at night. That's the kind of radiance that tells the world, I take care of myself. I honor my body. I'm alive from within. Forget the endless parade of miracle serums. The true miracle is already available to you, sitting quietly in your kitchen, your grocery basket, your morning smoothie. A simple, science-backed vitamin, vitamin C, can do more for your youthfulness than any overpriced jar on a shelf. So take it, trust it, and watch as your skin begins to mirror the strength, energy, and vibrance of the life pulsing inside you. Because real beauty doesn't come from covering up time. It comes from fueling your body to shine through it. At the end of the day, youthfulness isn't a race against time. It's a partnership with your body. It's not about chasing perfection or fighting age. It's about feeding your cells the truth they've always known, that vitality comes from within. The glow you're looking for isn't hiding behind a label or trapped inside a jar. It's waiting to be ignited inside you. You don't need another cream to promise you youth. You need consistency, nourishment, and the courage to take your health into your own hands. When you choose to fuel your body instead of just fixing your reflection, you begin to experience what real beauty feels like. Not surface deep, but soul deep. You start to see that aging isn't decay. It's evolution. It's your body's story unfolding, layer by layer, full of wisdom, resilience, and strength. And that's where the magic of something as simple as vitamin C comes in. Not as a trend, not as a quick fix, but as a reminder of how capable your body truly is when you support it. It's your daily act of rebellion against everything that tells you you're not enough. It's your declaration that you are investing in longevity, radiance, and authenticity, not illusion. So let the cream stay on the shelves. Let the world chase filters and fads. You've got something better. A body that listens, responds, and thrives when you care for it. Every sip of water, every nutrient-rich meal, every dose of vitamin C is a quiet, powerful statement. I am nourishing my future. Because the goal isn't to look younger. The goal is to feel alive, to glow with health so real it can't be manufactured, to carry yourself with the confidence of someone who knows that true beauty doesn't fade, it deepens. So take that vitamin, feed your cells, fuel your glow, and watch as your skin becomes a living reflection of something even more beautiful than youth, vibrant, unstoppable you.